friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. This is Vishnu. I hope you all are doing good. In today's DIY, I'm going to make a beautiful wall decor to decorate this beautiful brass Dashavataram set that I have at home. Please check video description for all the links of the items that I have used to create this DIY. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now without any delay, let's get started on how to make this beautiful wall decor. To make the wall frames, I'm using 5x5 inch shadow box and 7x7 inch canvas frame. To remove the canvas from the frame, use a knife. Now I'm going to paint the canvas frame and inside of this shadow box with gold paint. I have a 1 inch cube which I'm going to paint in gold. Make sure you cover the corners. Just a gold frame doesn't look that great. So to create a traditional look for these wall frames, I am using some pearls to decorate this frame. Using all-purpose glue, I'm gonna attach these pearls to one side of the frame. Cut some cardboard that will fit inside the shadow box. I cut some fabric that is bigger than this cardboard. Make sure you leave some extra fabric so that you can attach this fabric to the cardboard. Using hot glue, I'm going to attach the fabric to the cardboard. Once you connect on one side, pull the fabric and connect the other side so that we don't have any folds on the fabric. All the pieces are ready. Now I'm going to use some hot glue to attach them together as a frame. When you are attaching the canvas frame to the shadow box, make sure you are aligning them together and the bottom of these two frames align in a straight line. Now attach this cube to the wood frame and make sure it's centered and it has some gap in the back. I am adding a gold lace to this wood cube to finish the frame. Very easy and beautiful wall frames are ready. I'm going to use some painted tape and hot glue gun to attach these frames to the wall. I'm going to place these idols in these frames. Very easy and beautiful wall frames are ready, and you can use this for any festive occasion or home decor and they will look beautiful on the walls. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this DIY and got some ideas for your next home project. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching.